DIY cardboard object making videos are exploding on social media right now. And here's the wild part. Nobody watching can tell these were made with AI. Look at this page. Videos hitting over 1 million views, all from one simple content style. Now watch what I made in Fotor in under 5 minutes. No editing skills, no filming, no cardboard mess. Here's exactly how to do. Let's get started. First, open ChatGPT or any AI chatbot and ask it for creative object ideas in the same satisfying build style as the accounts going viral in this niche. You'll get a full list in seconds. Pick the one that feels the most visually satisfying to watch come together. Head over to Fotor and open the AI image generator. Write a clear, descriptive prompt describing the object being built step by step. If you don't know how to write prompt, you can find mine in the description. Paste the prompt into Fotor's generation field and write the object, then hit generate. In under a minute, you'll have a finished clip ready to preview. Next, click on the AI video generator function. Select the Cdance 2.0 mini model. Upload the image you just generated. Copy my video prompt. Set the duration to 10 seconds and click generate. Now let's watch the full video together. If you want more AI video tutorials, viral prompt ideas, and the latest AI content creation tricks, make sure to subscribe. I upload new AI workflows every week to help you create better content faster. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.